to. Done nothing, saying nothing. I know we'll meet again.
And we are off, leaving camp and the tent here because why would you want to leave this camp? And we're gonna go explore the little peninsula on this island, and then we're gonna walk over and go across and explore the strip down there and maybe a bit of the hills up that peninsula. So that is the plan for the day. So far we're looking nice and sunny, feeling good about it. Hello. Take care of our tent, don't eat all our stuff. Luke's waiting for me. He's gonna be very thrilled of all my filming as well.
So dumb, I gotta get something.
That's one thing Luke and I have noticed here is up at the top. There's so many, but that's where all the people are all the time, so they're so not afraid. And then down here, they're all so timid. Like, look at him. This guy was just eating, and now he froze because we're here. And he's probably gonna book it too. Wow. Look at him. Standing still, he's being a good little bush. Oh. He actually didn't run that time. So it was like individual people in those, but they're tiny. They're tiny. Imagine being trapped in here. Spot the wombat. Fooled us, thought he was a bush. That's so bizarre. One down to them, and then down there they're going again. blue! Wow, so blue. Look at the sands. Oh, it's stunning. Wow. Once again, we've got the whole place to ourselves. Not at all. Ooh, it's already cold.
Oh,
Look how clear it is though.
that Tasmanian fucking southern ocean, eh?
Yeah. Bon appetit. Cheese and crackers. What else is new? Always good. Yeah. He's cool. Oh, he's got a little hole at the top.
Oh yeah, damn, so close.
So close. Alright, show us your shells, Luke.
Not bad, cool.
Piece of beef.
Oh what?
Wow. That's so cool.
Damn.
I'll leave you right there for someone else to enjoy. Wind just picked right back up, and it is bloody cold. Bloody cold it is.
Go check it out.
Little bear. I'll check you out real quick. Go from super blue water on the other side to green on this side. It's freezing, hey? Home sweet home. Get our fire started soon. That's not bad at all.
Whoosh. Have to climb.
Stop it. Hello, little guy. Got the din zone. Dinny time it is. Give us the dinny cheers. Good morning, world. Still sleeping. Up, dressed, herded, sleeping. Oatmeal, my favorite.
Nom nom nom.
Nom nom nom, David. It's okay, let Brecky shit though, because it's really pretty. Hey.
Does that make up for it?
You're being so dramatic.
Nom, baby.
Sun is shining. It's time to pack on up. 13k walk out, which isn't too bad. Should take us a couple hours. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Goodbye, beautiful camp. And just like that, some people have come. So, what better time to leave? Hey, Luke.
Yeah.
Good timing.
It's great timing.
I think they camped out on the sailboat last night.
Yeah, they did.
We're off. 13 Ks.
Yeah. 11? This is 11 from here though, isn't it?
Who fucking knows?
And then it says 11 again from the next camp.
Yeah.
We have a morning wombat in the bushes. He hasn't spotted me yet. Where are you going? Oh, he's the cutest little guy. He's the one going to go for a rustle in the bushes and a little scratch on the branches. Whee! So cute. Wow.
Oh, I'm good to make a sound.
Oh, it just broke that branch. What a cool sound. Coolest birds ever.
He's determined to win. We're playing wombat on the road. Whoever sees wombat on the road first, and then it counts as a win. Things you do when you're hiking. There's nothing else to do. But Luke is winning. It's 2-1 right now. I'll keep you updated. So that's why he's trying to get ahead so he can get another one and seal the deal. Sneaky bastard. We're like, how many meters would you say away?
500.
We're like 500 meters away and it's starting to sprinkle. Which happened last time too, so. That wind! Yeah, we're almost there. Then we'll just chill and make some lunch and wait a couple hours, unfortunately, for the finish. Fuck, we lost the light game!
Yes!
Fuck!
Yes! You lost everything!
We also had a game going for how many bikers we could see throughout the day. Luke guessed 5, I guessed 4. And now we've just seen 5, so he wins. I was telling him about that. So now I've just lost everything. My whole livelihood. Just kidding.
Is that one back, Bubby?
Where? Bubby. Listen to it. Sore winner and sore loser.
Yep.
I'd rather him win, to be honest. He's not a very good loser.
I am. So. Oh, good ass share. Share everything. Yeah, share life. Is that not enough?
Like,
what do you want? Is that not enough?
I want your lollies.
Go get them. Oh, you don't get my fucking little joke.
He eats all my stuff, and I have no problem You didn't even see him.
I did not see him at all. Did you?
Yeah, I said it at the beginning. I was like, oh. We are back, baby. Whoa, that's a huge cooler. We noticed there was tons of tents, tons of blue tents, so there's probably a bit of a tour going on. Which means we have timed our hike very well again to get everything to ourselves. Awesome. Just the way we like it, eh, Luke? And now we feast. We pretty much just eat whatever we've got left for food. In the next 2 hours we have to wait for the ferry.
Which isn't much left, really.
No, there's not.
You get crumbs everywhere.
Gonna have to ration.
Yeah.
Goodbye! Goodbye, little wombat! Singing Taylor Swift. Your fave.
And I go with you.
He always goes, oh, she wrote that song about me.
Cocoa is good. Mouse poo. The mouse has not chewed. So we're not sure if we have a mouse or not still, but we'll see. And we got a new sticker! Woo! And this concludes our Maria Island adventure slap.